This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brady DenBleyker. Affordable 2-bedroom 1-bath single-level condo with a garage in Lynden. Located close to shopping, restaurants and entertainment, yet tucked away on a quiet dead-end street. One level of affordable condo living featuring open floor plan and spacious rooms. Professionally maintained grounds for an attractive yard all year round. Deep garage with lots of extra parking or storage space. No age restrictions. For more information, review the details below.